When choosing a metal roof, the product matters, but the installers matters just as much. Here we have Brian from Everlast Metals to tell us some more.
Yeah, thanks, Bar. How you doing? I'm Brian. I'm with Everlast Metals, and with Everlast, we manufacture high-quality performing metal systems for the wall and for the roof for commercial and residential buildings. And you're absolutely right. When you pair up with a great manufacturer like Everlast and a great installation team from Lecla, you're gonna get a long-term, resilient, durable roof that's gonna look great against the weather for the life of your building.
So what makes Everlast Metals stand out from your competitors?
It's a good question. Everlast Metals is a independently owned and operated company, so there's a big kind of swirling competitive landscape where everyone's buying each other up, right? Everlast still independently owns and operates its own company while expanding its footprint and offering. We have a lot of stock and material available. We're never running into shortages, and our pricing is fair and competitive. So we remain independent but still keep that price integrity in place, right? And then also we're offering industry-leading warranties. You can get a 35-year paint finish warranty on a commercial or residential building with a high quality of performance, and it's going to look beautiful. And truly, Everlast gives you a roof that will last forever. The name is in our name, right? The performance is in our name, Everlast Metals. It lasts forever.
So you've been doing this for a while. Can you tell me about your relationship with Lecla and why installation is critical when you're working with metal roofs?
Yeah, I mean, another great question. So my relationship with Lecla has been wonderful. And the Lecla team are pros. For the past over a decade, I've been working with them very closely on providing homeowners across Connecticut with durable, resilient, long-lasting, beautiful roofs made out of metal that truly is going to be their last roof. And Lecla team does it right. I mean, that's so important, right? In roofing, we want a roofer to take care of our house. We don't want leaks, and that's super important. But when it comes to metal, it's a specific intersection of the intelligence of how water moves on a roof, plus the physical ability to cut and move metal to give a beautiful roof like this that makes sense and goes together well. And I'll be honest with you, not everybody does it the same. The team from Lecla continues to improve their installation techniques, and they don't have callbacks. And they're a wonderful company to work for as a provider of materials, but also as an end user. I can't think of anyone better.
So the panels are important, but so are the details. Can you tell me about the full system of the metal roof?
Yeah, I mean, great point. Aside from the installer, right, which we talked about as being so important, and the Lecla team does an amazing job as our installers in the market. But in terms of the details, when you're talking to a metal roof installer, when you're considering a metal roof, that's the small, finer points are super important. This system behind us and you're seeing today is a standing seam system, but the real nature of this product or this system is called a hidden fastener. So no fasteners are exposed, it's completely concealed. And there's a certain artistry, like I mentioned, to do that. And that's the system that you're talking about. What are the tools that your contractor is using? What type of underlayments are being used? What type of sealants are being used to make sure that system stays together? If I can't see a screw, what do I use? You'll notice that there's no screws exposed on this roof. When they do need to fasten in place from the top, they use pop rivets. They're using GSL caulking at the Z closures, what we call, to make sure the whole thing stays down. And certainly they are screwing this product to the roof, but it's completely concealed. Those screws are not exposed. Those are the finer points that make that roof last the way that Everlast expects, the way we manufacture coil and panels to make sure that it lasts. And installers like Lecla give the homeowner that surefire performance for long term.
So if a customer is looking for a new metal roof, why should they choose Everlast and Lecla?
Yeah, I mean, what comes to mind is the word sustainability there, right? So the promise of metal roof, of a residential, commercial, standing seam metal roof, is it's the last roof you need, right? And in order to do that, you need to have the quality of manufacturer that's gonna stand behind those claims and the quality of installer as well. My experience with Lecla is long lasting. You guys do an awesome job, and that you're providing the promise of that long-term sustainability. We have a beautiful roof right here that won't need to be replaced. Metal in our industry is one of the only fully 100% recyclable products. It's a sustainable system, a sustainable product, and more to the point, this roof substrate will not be in a landfill down the road. It'll stay there. And that's very important to the environment and also to the building occupancy, right? So you won't have interruptions of roofing down the road, and this roof stays where it is. Lecla is going to make sure that happens because of the installation techniques and what they do, and the quality of manufacture, the paints and the quality of steel and aluminum we make our panels and coils out of are going to make sure Lecla has the right panels to do the job.
Thank you, Brian, for all that information about metal roofs. If you want an Everlast metal roof, give us a call at Lecla Home Improvements.